Here I have wireless keyboard and mouse box from HP, and let's unbox them. In this box I get one USB receiver, one mouse and one keyboard, and some manuals. You can use them and read them, how you can use, how you can insert the batteries, etc. And in this box also include some batteries for use. So let's insert this battery in the mouse and keyboard. First flip back the mouse and open it and insert these batteries and close them. And now in keyboard, flip back the keyboard and open it, and now insert these two batteries. In mouse we use one battery and in keyboard we use two batteries. You can see details in manual also. And now our keyboard and mouse is ready to use. Insert the receiver and use.
Now goodbye, have a nice day. Like this video and comment your questions and don't forget to subscribe.